So good morning, Jungle Bob here. It's Friday. Thankfully the tornadoes went north and south of me. 5 people, sadly, however, passed away in Ohatchee, Alabama. Prayers and condolences go out to their families. It's terrible when we have to have the loss of life. But anyway, today is, I know I mentioned about installing a mulch kit on this John Deere. The guy just picked this thing up. He took his loaner back that he was testing on and picked this up. It's a nice little looking machine. It's the Z-Track John Deere Z515E. It has a 24 and a half. It says 24 on here, but it says 24 and a half on the sticker here. 54-inch. Nice. So we're going to be putting a mulch kit on it for him today. You see it's only got a 0.25 hours on it. Nice. So this mulch kit, it comes pretty simple. It looks like they recommend you taking the deck off to put this on, but we're not going to do that. So it comes with these 2 little plugs, there and there. It comes with the mulching blades and some various hardware, wing nuts and stuff to attach to the deck to install it on. So this is kind of going to be hard for me to show you underneath the deck, but I'm going to do my best to get you some shots underneath. The first thing we're going to have to do is take the old blades off. And I'm going to put you up under here real quick. Let you see what the bottom looks like. It's kind of hard to see, but there's 3 blades. Three blades under here. I'm going to go ahead and pop those off now, and then I'm going to reposition the camera when we go to install the actual mulching kit, and hopefully I can just lay the camera down and get a good shot of it. So nobody needs to see me take the blades off, so we're going to stop right here, and it's a 11/16 socket to get these blades off, and then we'll be back. See if I can get, I'm going to put you on the tripod just while I'm taking the blades off, in case the mower falls on me or something. Somebody can call somebody. All right, let's get these blades off. Now notice I've already got it jacked up. I've got my jack stands here, but to get these blades off, I had to jack the deck up. If your jack stands weren't high enough, I would suggest supporting it a little better, but that's what we're going to have to do for now. myself into a pickle already, but we ought to be all right. Yeah. Well, the bolt got stuck in my socket. I'll have to knock that out. But they go on like this. It has a retaining washer, and then through just like that. So. All right, got that out. Move on to the next blade. Same thing on this one. Stuck. Take you a screwdriver or something and poke down in there and you can knock it out. Now we'll move around to the other side to get that last blade off. And voila, the blade is off. Now, like I said, guys, that wasn't good. Looks like my camera's safe. But like I said, the manual recommends that you take the deck off to do this job. Me being a one-man show, I don't want to go through all that because that deck's quite heavy. There's really no need to if you just be careful. Have you some supports and things. So we're going to stop right there. I'm going to see if I can position this camera underneath the mower while I'm installing the mulch kit. Jungle Bob, be back.